Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you the top places that look fake, but are 100% real. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more amazing content. Let's get into it. Number 10. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. This place looks like a giant salt lake from an alien planet, but it's actually in Bolivia. The Salar de Uyuni is the world's largest salt flat, and it is so big that it even messes with GPS systems. It is also home to a number of otherworldly-looking rock formations that make it look like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Number 9. Lake Natron, Tanzania. This red, blood-colored lake in Tanzania doesn't look like something you'd want to swim in. But it's actually a popular spot for birdwatchers and photographers. The red color comes from the high concentration of algae and other microorganisms in the water. While it may not be the best place for a swim, it is definitely a sight to behold. Number 8. Fly Geyser, Nevada. This colorful geyser in Nevada looks like something that belongs in a fantasy movie, but it's actually a man-made structure. It was created in the 1960s when a geothermal plant was being built, and the excess water was diverted into a cooling pond. The water in the geyser is full of minerals and other materials that cause it to change colors. Number 7. Marble Caves, Chile. These stunning caves in Chile look like something out of a fairy tale, but they're actually made of marble. The waves crashing into the caves have created a unique blue and green color thanks to the reflection of the sky and the water. Number 6. Death Valley, California. This area in California looks like a desert on Mars, but it's actually one of the hottest places on Earth. The name Death Valley comes from the fact that many people have died there from heat stroke and dehydration. But it's also home to some beautiful rock formations and otherworldly landscapes that are worth the risk. Number 5. Wave Rock, Australia. This natural rock formation in Australia looks like a giant wave frozen in time. But it's actually just a bunch of rocks that have been eroded by the wind and the rain. Despite its seemingly fragile appearance, wave rock is actually quite sturdy and has been around for centuries. Number 4. Socotra Island, Yemen. This island off the coast of Yemen looks like something straight out of Jurassic Park. But it's actually home to a number of unique plants and animals that can't be found anywhere else in the world. The island is a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers, but it's also a bit of a mystery since much of the island is still unexplored. Number 3. The Grand Prismatic Spring, Wyoming. This spring in Wyoming looks like a giant rainbow. It's actually a hot spring full of bacteria that create the beautiful colors. The Grand Prismatic Spring is one of the largest hot springs in the world, and is definitely a must-see if you're in the area. Number R. Lenmaranhães National Park, Brazil. This park in Brazil looks like a giant sand dune, but it's actually made up of salt deposits that have been eroded by the wind and the rain. The park is home to a number of unique plants and animals that have adapted to the salty environment, and it's a popular destination for hikers and nature lovers. Number 1. Pamukkale, Turkey. This place in Turkey looks like a giant cotton candy mountain, but it's actually made up of calcium carbonate that has been deposited by hot springs. The water in the springs is rich in minerals and other materials that create the beautiful colors and the unique landscape. Thanks for watching. If you did, please like and subscribe for more amazing content and comment what you'd like to see next.